One of the many interests that gives us a lot of satisfaction is our small wildlife garden. So let's follow our garden as it regenerates through our 4 seasons. Spring is my favourite season, and as nature responds to the warmer days, it gives me hope for another year of growth and new life. By early March, the garden comes alive with frogs, which have travelled to our ponds for around 40 years. After around 3 weeks, the next generation of frogs begin their magical development. With the sun coming out, they really have become active today. Just one of several nest boxes that are being adopted for another season. So on this last day of March, it's warm enough to sit out and watch our garden magically regenerate. And by early April, all the early spring flowers are showing again, and the new nest box has become occupied by a great tit. The daffs are almost finished, as April gives way to May. Success! Towards the end of May, the great tits were feeding their young. And now our garden has become a tapestry of form and colour. This beautiful flower, the ragged robin, has become established all around our garden. But an unsettled spell with torrential short downpours gave me another concern. Were the great tits still able to find enough food to feed their young? So I was up early every morning and I could see they were just about managing. Then, on the 29th of May, the young fledged on another wet, unsettled day.
I saw one fly out and it's on the ground here. Oh look, there's another one here.
May merges into June. Just look at this beauty. A beautiful wild marsh orchid. It's the first of probably several that's going to come out in the next few days. June and July are the best months in our garden, and it's around this time it peaks. It's now mid-July, and it's the height of the season for our meadowsweet. July merges into August, and the buddleia attracts butterflies in the garden, but it's been a poor year.
We've just seen a dragonfly that has emerged this morning.
I think it's a southern hawker. Later in August, a southern hawker was depositing eggs in our pond. It's the 1st of September and an annual event that's late this year because of the wet summer. This is what we've been waiting for. It's the first warm day for several days. It's about 21 degrees centigrade today, and all the male ants now are now leaving the nest now. They're called drones. They'll now mate with the queens and then they'll die. The onset of early autumn, with its first dewy mornings. Our summer months are coming to an end. It was something very special to me when I photographed the northern lights from our back garden. It's been a beautiful autumn in our local countryside. In our garden, the slow autumn surge continues, following the rhythm of the seasons. Mid-November and an unusual cold spell. With the morning frost and the early snowfall, the garden is closing down for the winter. Connecting with our garden through the seasons is a great tonic for us, and looking closely, there's always a special beauty in all our seasons.